orange and black, orange and black.
Yeah, we match. I'm going to take it down. Enjoy your flight.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Danny, I think you're going to have to put that. Oh, there's space over right there. Okay. Here.
Thank you.
Better not forget that.
Yeah. Now my question is, where are we going to put the little tablets that have the movies?
These things.
It's actually in their bag.
Maybe it's your flotation device or something?
I think, unlike the event of something horrible, I think it actually sticks with it. Oh, yeah.
I'm Dan.
John.
Nice to meet you. And this is
Danny.
Danny?
Nice to
John.
meet you.
Nice to meet you, Danny.
Uh-oh.
What do you think? We'll just remember their names. They are in
I don't want to rush you. I'll give you a thumbs up when it's time to stow it.
Flight attendants, ready to cabin for door closure. Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing to close that aircraft door. In preparation, please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and tray tabs are upright and locked, and all carry-on items, including laptops, computers, are stowed underneath the seat in front of you or overhead. We will be departing shortly.
Going to Hawaii for fun?
We are. How about yourself?
Flight attendants, we have received the final
Fun
paperwork.
and a little business. I'm trying to buy another property over there.
Oh, really?
So I had to go inspect and conduct my due diligence and everything. I got an offer. We've opened escrow and now it's time to go see if
Is it like a
Did you know you could do
rental type of place?
That's
or
lovely. Thank you.
rental? It's a
You're in the Caymans now.
6.8 acre agricultural
parcel in Hawaii.
This time, please, everyone,
And has a really nice residence on it, and another residence that is framed, roofed, and
All right, cabin is secure now. Thank you.
enclosed, but it needs everything else. It needs to be finished. And then it has a couple of other buildings.
Ladies and gentlemen, the forward aircraft door is now closed. Please make sure small electronic devices are in airplane mode. Flight attendants, prepare doors for departure and cross check.
It needs somebody that's going to go finish the project and
Should go away now.
take over this guy's. He's kind of done with it. So
So,
he's
we're
in
heading
default.
to Hawaii.
So I'm trying to figure out if it's going to be a good deal for me or not. So I have contractors lined up, setting the system, electrical, plumbing, all that. So I can come back with
whatever I want, cause I'm doing what I want.
There's the island, just like that. Here's Kona, here's Hilo, he's right there. And you can look out and see Maui right here. So we got some business to do, but we're gonna go jump in the ocean. We're gonna go do a little swimming, a little snorkeling.
I like that.
I have a truck over there. I have another property there that I bought a year and a half ago. And I'm trying to get a footprint over there so that we can start spending more time.
This video is sponsored by Shit Power. But it is Hinton sponsored. So I should put my stuff on airplane mode, shouldn't I? Alright, I gotta get going. Bye, guys. Bye.